Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of plumbing with a game changer, the Eastman 24-inch water heater connector. If you're in the market for the best water heater connectors, look no further. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. This connector is crafted with precision and durability in mind, boasting a stainless steel braided exterior that's designed to prevent kinking and crimping. Not only is it built to last, but it's also incredibly easy to install. Thanks to its flexible design and lead-free brass adapters, you can say goodbye to soldering and hello to hassle-free connections. Plus, with a maximum burst pressure of 1,200 psi and a maximum working temperature of 221 degrees Fahrenheit, you can trust that this connector can handle whatever your water heater throws its way. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're connecting a water supply line to a new or existing electric water heater, this connector has got you covered. And with multiple size options available, including 12-inch, 18-inch, and the featured 24-inch length, you can find the perfect fit for your specific needs. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the Eastman water heater connector for its quality, value, and ease of installation. From homeowners tackling DIY projects to professional plumbers, this connector has earned praise across the board. So, whether you're upgrading your existing water heater or embarking on a new installation project, make sure you choose the best of the best, the Eastman 24-inch water heater connector. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Thanks for watching, and happy plumbing!